Let me introduce my small peers. 1 second, I need to share my screen. Sorry guys, I need to reconnect because I cannot share my screen. Give me 1 second.
Sure, we're waiting for you.
Oh, good. So I believe you can see my screen.
Yep.
Okay, so I have created two pull requests for added compatibility with PHP Unit 8. Let's start from Magento newsletter extension. This is huge extension, and so mostly this changes like this. So I have injected test. I have added use for test case and extended this like this, and also I have changed all variables from protected to private, and renamed some variables with added mock prefix, mock suffix, and this is was recommended by Lukas on yesterday on a meeting in his Zoom room. Also, a lot of changes was added in like so like this. I have injected context class and changed this like this. So
Maybe you should tell a few words about what's the main difference between current PHP unit version and what interesting things in the PHP unit 8 and what's the backward incompatible changes, or maybe something interesting.
yes, sure, I can. For example, we used PHP unit framework test case, and this is already deprecated for PHP unit 9, and it recommended to replace this with another construction, another class like PHP / framework / test case. The same for mock object. Also exception. Also, we need to replace expected exception with this construction, and we don't need to use expected exception in PHP docs as it was early in previous versions, so it's mostly deprecated. The same situation for expected exception message. It should be changed by this construction, and 1 second, I'll show how it. So in previous version we had expected exception and expected exception messages as described in PHP docs, but for now we can use we can call the method expect exception and expected exception messages in method. So instead of PHP docs declaration. And this is main changes was done by me, and so this is mostly some code cleanup, like changed this to this, and so.
Yeah, it's a good preparation, I believe. As for me, I'm personally love like new versions of the frameworks when some new features in the frameworks will come, and but in projects like Magento, it's really hard to upgrade to the newest versions because we have a lot of tests, a lot of some use cases. So yeah, it's a great job. So thank you.
Yes,
Thank you
I
for
agree
these
with you.
ideas.
This is, it seems that this is really easy, but when you start work on this, it's take a lot of time, uh, and you need spend this time for make code better. Also, Lukas prepared a lot of extension with which can be change it and review it and clean up it. So a lot of work for us. So you're welcome, guys.
Yeah, I see. Yeah, a long list of work. Okay,
Yeah.
thank you, Andrew.
Thank you, guys. Hope you have a good day.
Yeah, have a good day too.
Thank you. I